I made out with a chick in this room once.
Really?
It was, yeah, like over there.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, I'm Kevin.
I'm Brett.
And we are the Peachy Lions. So, now you're probably wondering, I mean, what exactly is a Peachy Lion, right? Because, I mean, what? But,
I'm cold.
Yeah. But, anyway, so, this is a song.
I'll do it. I'll do it. The song I wrote for this girl that I met 17 days ago, and I liked her a lot, and a couple days later I decided to write her this song, and because I wanted to tell her how I felt. So I hope that she is watching this song and listening to this video right now so that she knows. Oh, I'm nervous.
1, 2.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, let's do this.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I knew from the start you remind me of a bird of prey. When I swooped down to pick up a mouse like you picked up my heart. Now I know I've known you but 3 short days, and then these days of life did begin. Because someday I will pursue you in a romantic relationship. This is a song I chose to share with the world, to profess my love to you. It's a nice little ditty that I wrote on a plane while I'm thinking about being inside of you. Inside of you. Inside of you. So I know we haven't officially met, like in an actual physical sense, but my horoscope said that today was a 6, so I think it's time to take that step. And if we end up getting married because I impregnate you, so be it. This is a song I chose to share with the world, to express my love to you. It's a nice little ditty that I wrote on a plane while I'm thinking about being inside of you. Inside of you. Inside of you. 3, 4. Your head looks like that chick's from forgetting Sarah Marshall, and your teeth remind me of her too. Your eyes are blue and strong like a little Dunkin' cone, and your head is dancing around like a school globe. Wow! So needless to say, you're attractive. This is a song I chose to share with the world, to express my love to you. It's a nice little ditty that I wrote on a plane while I'm thinking about being inside of you. Inside of you. Inside of you. Good?
Yep.
Okay. So I hope you take this song to heart, even though you still don't know who I am. Cause I mean every single word that I sing, otherwise I wouldn't take the time to write it.
Oh yeah, I mean, it's kind of... Ready? Go.
And now that all is said and done, and I pour my heart out like milk, tomorrow I may introduce myself, or at least get a well